In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Cloudflare error 522 connection timed out. If you've encountered this frustrating issue, you're not alone. The 522 error indicates that Cloudflare is having trouble connecting to your website server, and there can be several reasons for this. But don't worry, I'm here to walk you through the process step by step so that you can get your site back up and running smoothly. Whether you've recently made changes to your hosting setup, adjusted security settings, or just want to troubleshoot the issue, this guide has you covered. Let's get started. First, log into your Cloudflare account by heading over to cloud.com. Once you're logged in, locate and select the domain that's experiencing the 522 error. This ensures that you're working with the correct site as we move forward. Next, navigate to the DNS section on the left-hand side. This is where you'll verify your domain's DNS records. Check that your A or CNAME records are pointing to the correct server IP address. If you've recently changed hosting providers or migrated your site, the server IP may have changed, and you'll need to update it accordingly. If you discover that the IP address is outdated, replace it with a new one provided by your hosting provider. Once updated, ensure that the record you want proxied has the orange cloud icon turned on. This indicates that Cloudflare is actively managing traffic for that record. Keep in mind that any changes you make here may take a little time to propagate across the internet, so be patient before retesting your site. Now let's move on to the security section in your Cloudflare dashboard. From there, go to Firewall Rules, review the filters you've set up to ensure that none of them are blocking legitimate connections. Overly strict firewall rules can sometimes prevent Cloudflare from communicating with your server or block valid visitors. Temporarily disable or edit any rules that seem too restrictive, allowing valid traffic to pass through. While still in the security section, check the rate limiting settings. These rules are designed to prevent excessive requests to your site, but if set too aggressively, they can interfere with normal traffic. Adjust the thresholds if necessary, or pause any rules targeting critical URLs to allow smoother access. Once you've made these adjustments, test your site again to see if the issue is resolved. Next, head over to the Security Bots section and temporarily turn off bot mode. This will help determine if the bot protection is interfering with connectivity. After making this change, reload your site to see if the 522 error improves. Another area to review under security is DDoS protection. While it's important to protect your site from attacks, overly aggressive DDoS settings can sometimes block legitimate traffic. Double-check your configuration and make adjustments as needed to ensure it's not causing the connection timeout. Moving on, open the SSL TLS section and check the Overview tab. Here, you'll want to confirm that the SSL mode matches your server's configuration. Use full strict for valid SSL certificates, full for partially verified ones, or flexible if your server doesn't use SSL. This setting ensures that Cloudflare and your server are communicating securely and without issues. Now, let's clear the cache. Go to the caching section, open Configuration, and select Purge Everything. This removes any stored data that might be causing conflicts, allowing your site to load fresh content. Once the cache is cleared, test your site again to see if the error is resolved. Finally, if you temporarily relaxed any security features earlier, re-enable them one at a time. This ensures your site remains secure without reintroducing the 522 error. By systematically restoring these settings, you can identify which one, if any, might have been contributing to the issue. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to fixing Cloudflare error 522. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.